The one question I've been getting this whole time is how I achieved my hair. So I'm going to show you how I did it. But I'll be comparing this specific Shark Glossy tool to the OG Revlon hair dye that I have been using. The Shark Glossy tool is a two-in-one hot tool and air glosser that uses heat-controlled ceramic plates and a powerful airflow to smooth hair with each pass, and also it's supposed to give me no frizz, and it also prevents heat damage because it helps smooth and stretch your hair and add shine to your hair without, all the extra heat from like a flat iron and the curling and all of that. So I really wanted to try it out, but the thing I wanted to do was to compare it to the Revlon hand dryer that I have. The specific one I have right now is available on Amazon, and you can also change the heads of it, but I only have the round blow dryer head part of it, so that's all I have. But I also bought a sleek blow dry tool from Wavy Talk. I don't even remember exactly what it's called. My initial thought was to compare these two together, but I ended up having to use a third tool that I will show you. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this comparison, and also let me show you how I achieved my hair that is in my previous video that you love so much. So this hair I am absolutely in love with. I'm actually going to be getting a different version of it in a week, so stay tuned for that. I love it. It's very easy. I love that it gives me I cut my hair type of looks without actually cutting my hair. Whenever I came home, I had to stitch them down with a needle and thread. That way certain loops can stay in place. So it took me a while to take down the hair. My daughter also came to help me out, and as proud of her as I was, I had to stop because she was pulling my hair. But she did so well at helping me take them down, so I'm proud of her for that. But I had to put an end to it because she was pulling my hair entirely too much, okay? If you know me, you know that if I take down my hair today, I wait till the next day to detangle and all of that. So I had to put my hair in a bun, go to bed, and the next morning I was able to come back and detangle my hair. I can't take down my hair and detangle in the same day. My scalp will hurt too much. Now, right now, I am putting some Olaplex number 3. I put it in a bottle, put some water in it, mix it up, and this is how I apply it to my hair so that I'm not wasting the product, and also so that I can get it all up in my hair. I apply it, I comb it out, I twist it, and then I sit under the dryer under my heated conditioning cap situation for about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and then I go ahead and shampoo. Today I'm shampooing with the Silk Element Clarifying Shampoo and the Sacred Clarifying Shampoo. I'm also going in with the Sacred Hot Oil Treatment, which I covered with a plastic bag and set under my conditioning cap situation. After that, I will shampoo with the Sacred Hydration Shampoo, and then I will do a little bit of a protein treatment, which I will also cover my hair and sit under the conditioning cap situation. Of course, I washed my hair, and then I am going in with my L'Oreal Plumpin' leave-in conditioner situation. I'm trying to do all hairspray so I get more movement to my hair and not have it weighed down, especially because of the hairstyle that I want to do. So you can see I'm using a keratin leave-in, I'm using a hydration leave-in, and I'm also using that very viral leave-in spray. Now I can't even remember what it's called. I will link every product that I used down below in the description and also tagged in this video. So if you click that view products tag, you should be able to see every single product and every single tool that I used in this video. Now here's where the front part starts. I separated my hair into two sides, and on one side I will be using the Revlon tool. So I'm using the Revlon blow dryer first, and then on the other side I will use the Shark product. Okay, so I went ahead and combed it out, and I didn't even remember that I had this Kenra heat protection spray, which I added to my hair. It definitely gave my hair a lot of gloss. It made my hair so easy to detangle, and also made it so easy for the blow dry to like glide through my hair. I am very impressed with this Kenra heat protectant. I should have used it earlier. I didn't even know that I had it. I know that I sent my husband all over this tiny town to find it, and he found it for me, and I never used it. Why didn't I ever use it? I don't know, but I am so happy that I used it because because my hair smelled amazing for days. Like for almost a week, my hair has been smelling beautiful, okay? But that's neither here nor there. I am blow drying my hair with the Revlon blow dryer. This specific one, you can twist the head off and put a different attachment on there, but I still haven't been able to find where I can find the attachments. I feel like it would be on Amazon because I got this tool from Amazon. It works very well. My only issue is how big it is in my hand. It is so big compared to the glossy, which is very small, and I'm able to grip all around it. But you know, I will show you what the glossy did to my hair. So let's go ahead and finish with our blow dry. We're almost done with the sections. I moved it wasn't as quick as it's looking right now, but it was definitely very easy for me to detangle, especially after I spray it with that Kenra spray. Amazing. Okay, now let's move on to the glossy tool, or the Shock glossy hair tool. So one side of it has a vent section where you can just blow dry your hair with, and there's a little piece of it that has that ceramic plates that helps you get a smoother blow dry. I am using only the air part of it to blow dry my hair, and as you can see, I'm able to wrap my fingers all around the shafts of this hair tool compared to the Revlon one, which is pretty big, and I can't even close my fists around it. It makes it a little bit difficult for me to use, and sometimes I hold the Revlon tool with two hands before I can like pull it through my hair. But the way the glossy is shaped, I'm able to just completely wrap my fingers around it and pull it through my hair with just one hand, and I really like it. You know, it works very, very well. So I'm using only the blow dry section because it has little controls on there where you have to push it to where your hair is wet and you want to blow dry it. So this section helps you blow dry your hair when it's damp or when it's wet, and this is recommended you do before you go in with the ceramic side, because you don't want to put hot ceramic plates on wet hair. It's just going to cook your hair, and you don't want that. The ceramic side can also turn on the vents, but that only comes out of both sides. But it's really not recommended that you turn on the ceramic side while your hair is wet or damp. Okay, so what the experts at the YouTube event told me was that I need to dry my hair completely before I turn on the ceramic side and use it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm literally just blow drying my hair with just the blow dry section of it, and after that, this is what my hair looks like. It definitely looks like the Shark tool gave me a much flatter blow dry, in my opinion, compared to the other side of my head. As you can see, like, I know it had been like maybe an hour since I blew out the other side, but this side is feeling much smoother, and also it's a little bit flatter compared to the Revlon only side. It could also be that I have more volume on the Revlon only side, but now as you can see, I have put it on the side of the glossy tool that does not require wet hair. And yes, the ceramic plate sides was hot, but it was also blowing air. You can also have it blow air out of the vents without it being something that you need to dry your hair with. So that's what I did. I just went through my hair to try to smooth it out. I also ended up sectioning parts of the hair. That way it can smooth it out as best as it possibly can, because I don't know how big the sections were supposed to be or how small they were supposed to be. And because of how big the barrel is, I knew it wasn't going to curl my hair one way or the other, but I was just rounding my hand to just help my hair go through the ceramic plate side. Because of how small the ceramic plate sides is, I figured I need to section my hair into a little bit smaller sections. So after I go over it, I take a little piece and I go through it. So I did that throughout my whole hair. And after I was done, I just took little big sections like you're seeing right now, and I'm just running it through. This was the result of the ceramic side compared to the blow dry only side after I did it. And I decided to go in and turn on the vent and see what I can get out of it. It really didn't make that much of a difference. I was expecting it to be as smooth as it would if I use my Wavy Talk blow dry I don't even know what that tool is called. Let me find out what it's called. Give me 10 seconds. It is called the Wavy Talk Blowout Boost, and I didn't know anything about this tool until I saw it on Peak Mill's Instagram page, and she linked it. I was like, hey, I need to know what this tool is, and I bought it. I really like that in addition to my blow dryer. But this is what it looks like on the side where I use the ceramic plates. It's really not bad if you want like a voluminous kind of a blowout. That's what I generally go for. But I wanted to curl my hair and I wanted my hair to be slightly smoother because I really thought the ceramic plate was going to give me the kind of smooth that the blowout boost gives me. So that's essentially what I was comparing it to. But by itself or compared to the Revlon tool, I'm saying that I like it because it gives me a slightly smoother blowout than the Revlon tool can by itself. Right now, I've lost all hope and I didn't know what to do with my hair. So I decided to come back and use my Wavy Talk Blowout Boost to give myself like a slightly smoother hairstyle compared to what I initially had, and also to try to get it to curl up and help me achieve a gorgeous style that I could film with the next day because I had a sponsored video to film with the next day. So I would just wrap the Wavy Talk what is it called, blowout boost around my hair and let it sit for a few seconds, and I would unravel it as if I was curling my hair. That way it can keep the curl, and I really like how smooth it gets my hair. I also like that it has bristles that can help grip onto my very coarse hair and help smooth it out without me actually using or needing a flat iron. It doesn't give me like a smooth hair, but it gives me enough volume and enough curl that I don't have to worry about needing a flat iron. Okay, and I needed to give you guys like a bigger perspective, so I switched cameras. If you notice it, if you don't, then you know I didn't switch cameras. I switched cameras so you can see more of what I was doing. This is my second time using the Wavy Talk Blowout Boost, and I really like it. If you only have a blow dryer but you want a slightly smoother blowout like how I generally have my hair, this is the tool because it goes up to 420, and the barrel is not too big to where if you have short hair like mine, it will still give you some kind of a curl. This is the curl that I got out of it. With what I did, I generally don't know how to curl my hair at all. This is what I got out of it. Also, yes, I know my ends need clipping. As of today, as of right now, this very second, my ends are clipped, so don't come for me. But this is what my hair looks like. This is what I was expecting the glossy to do for me. But I should have known that it was more of just like a smoother blow dry situation compared to a blowout situation. Okay, I have learned that a blowout is different from a blow dry, and the glossy gives a blow dry look, but the Wavy Talk Blowout Boost gives you a blowout look. To achieve this hair, I used 3 different products, and yes, my favorite is the specific one because honey, it gives me exactly what I need. Okay, this is the hair straight out of that Wavy Talk, and honey, I loved it. But it was time to go to bed. So the one thing I absolutely hate is people that show you how to achieve a hairstyle, but they don't show you how to maintain the hairstyle. Okay, I experiment with my hair a lot when it comes to like heatless curls. So for this specific hairstyle, I wanted to use the giant burgundy not roller set, whatever set these are called. I forgot what they're called, but I used these because I wanted to have big wavy hair without it being like curly. So I curled all my hair forward, even the back. Now what I should have done was curl the back 2 going down and the top 2 coming forward, but I really didn't mind everything coming forward like that because it gave me like a gorgeous look to the hair. And like I said, I'm experimenting with my curls, so I don't really care how it comes out. I just care that the front is looking exactly how I want it to look. I went in with the Joico humidity block on the hair because it will prevent my hair from getting frizzing up quicker than it's supposed to, and it really does work after I use it. I used to use it in my hair before I blow dry, and then I figured it's like a aerosol spray, so I had to just use it like that. This is the Sacred Hair Wrap, which Parkwood Entertainment sent to me. Listen, it came in clutch. It's huge. It was able to cover my hair and everything. Thank you, Parkwood Entertainment. Okay, this is the next morning. I am taking down the flexi rods. That's what they're called, flexi rods. I'm taking down the flexi rods, and this is what my hair was looking like. It looks really good in the morning. Overnight, just set in there, and I loved it. Now, after I combed it out, I really didn't know how I was vibing with it, but after I just let it sit for like 5 minutes and I started filming my video, my hair had settled in and was looking something kind of fierce, honey. I loved it. I actually maintained this hairstyle for a week using my flexi rods, and then I got tired and I didn't even use the flexi rods and my hair was still curly. But that is it for me, showing you how I achieved my hair and also demonstrating how to use the shark tool and also showing you how I achieved my curly hair, wavy hair look that you absolutely love. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.